Welcome. If you're looking to find out how to view ignored accounts on Discord Mobile, you've come to the right place. Whether you're trying to manage your privacy or just want to double-check who you've muted, this quick guide will walk you through the updated steps to see all the accounts you've ignored on Discord using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, look towards the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. Give that a tap to open your user settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Content and Social. This is where Discord groups together all the options related to your social interactions and content preferences. Tap on Content and Social to continue. Inside this section, you'll notice several options, but what we're looking for is Ignored Accounts. Go ahead and tap on Ignored Accounts. Here, you'll see a complete list of all the users you've chosen to ignore on Discord. This is super useful if you want to review who you've ignored, or if you want to unignore someone and start seeing their messages again. To unignore an account, simply tap on the user's name from the list. You'll be taken to their profile where you can adjust your preferences and reconnect if you'd like. And that's it. It's really that simple. By following these steps, opening Discord, tapping your profile, heading to settings, selecting Content and Social, and then Ignored Accounts, you can easily manage your ignored users anytime. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy Discord tips. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting!